The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about LastPass. So I'm on LastPass.com here, and so I'm gonna go over LastPass, and I'm gonna show you guys the features and stuff like that, and go over and whatnot. If you guys don't know what LastPass is, it's basically a password manager to help you manage your passwords and stuff like that. I had this on my phone. It's a great app. It's a great password manager. I recommend it to everyone out there. LastPass will help you manage your passwords, so you'll never have to remember your passwords again. But you will need to remember one password. That is your LastPass master password. You will need to remember that to get access to your LastPass account. So that's one password that you need to remember is your password for LastPass. But other than that, you will not have to remember no passwords. Alright guys, so as you guys can see right here, to simplify your life, LastPass remembers all your passwords so you do not have to. You can get a free version of LastPass, or you can get the premium version for $2 a month. That's about $24 a year, which is pretty damn cheap, alright? So if you guys sign up for it for the very first time, you guys will get a free 30-day trial of the premium version of LastPass, so you can try out all the features for 30 days for free. And if you guys like the premium version, you can continue to use it for $2 a month, which is pretty fucking cheap, alright? So shout out to LastPass for that. So they got examples here. They got, Facebook, Amazon, and Salesforce. I don't know what that is. So basically, it will autofill your passwords right here, as you guys can see. It will autofill your passwords and stuff like that. Amazon, it will autofill your shipping address, credit card information, and all that good stuff. And then this example will give you this example will generate passwords for you, and you can fill it in and stuff like that. And it'll give you options and stuff like that. LastPass is available for Android, iOS, Windows Phone, Chrome browser, Firefox browser, and I think it's available for Safari browser. I'm not sure, but you can get the Chrome extension. As I got it right here, as you guys can see, I had the Chrome extension right there. So let's continue, guys. So this password manager is awesome. I like it a lot. You can have a personal LastPass account or a business LastPass account. Personal account is you can upgrade to get the best of LastPass for flexible sharing and emergency access. You can get the premium version or family plan with it for the personal. The business side is when passwords cause 81% of breaches, they need to be your #1 security priority. So, no, that's good right there. So let's learn more about premium. This is for your personal account. $2 a month. You will get to share your passwords, Wi-Fi logins, memberships, and other items with as many people as you want for easy access. You can create your digital contingency plan with an emergency access for loved ones, plus advanced multi-factor options, priority tech support, LastPass for applications, and 1 GB of encrypted file storage. Like I said, it's $2 a month. That's about $24 a year. And they got a family plan. It says get 6 LastPass licenses for get 6 LastPass licenses for $4 a month, so you can organize, secure, and share your entire family digital life. Plus, get unlimited share folders and simple family member management. So if you guys get a family plan, it's $4 a month. That's about $48 for that. That's about $48 a year For the family plan of LastPass. For the personal, it's $2 a month, $25 a year. So that's what the that is. You'll get that with the premium version. The business side, I think I'm just gonna check out what they got offered for businesses here. So this is really cool, man. Security starts with strong passwords. Give it more control and solve employee frustrations when you manage passwords with LastPass. You can start a Teams trial or an enterprise trial if you guys want to. If you guys got a business, you can check this out. The Teams version, it's less than $2,250 per user per month, bill annually. Simple password sharing, smart password storage, and easy to manage dashboard makes Teams an ideal solution for businesses of 50 or less. The enterprise is $4 per user per month, bill annually. Enterprise automates and scales password management for the whole business with directly integration, custom security policies, and more. Protect every password in your business. So you can do all that. Every password is an entry to your business, and LastPass makes it easy to secure them all. You got centralized control, automate user management, convenience password sharing, leading security and reliability, secure password storage, and you can read what people are saying about it, and you can check all these features. So you can check out the features for yourself. The Teams version of LastPass includes everything you love about LastPass. The enterprise version will have everything in Teams plus more. So you can see the different features right there. So yeah, man, that's pretty awesome right there. This is autopilot all your passwords. LastPass removes obstacles, letting you get back to the things you love most. Log in and go. Simplify online shopping. Generate strong passwords. Store digital records. Share effortlessly. Prepare for the unknown. This is what your vault looks like on desktop and mobile. This is the mobile application right here. Also, that's what it looks like on mobile. That's what it looks like on your desktop, and that's what it looks like on your smartwatch. That's pretty fucking cool. It says take it everywhere. Save your password once, and it's instantly available on all your devices. LastPass goes everywhere you do. Alright. The #1 most preferred password manager. You deserve the best in security. LastPass keeps your information private, secure, and hidden, even from us. So they can't even see it. So they got a 4.5 stars on the Chrome Web Store, as you guys can see the extension right here. Chrome something right there. They got 13 million people trust LastPass, and I'm one of those. 33,000 businesses use LastPass, so that's nice, and they got all these different sites there. You can choose a plan that works for you. The premium everything you get for free. This is the premium version. This is what you get for the premium version. For the personal, the family plan is $4 a month. You get everything in premium plus more, so that's good. So yeah, you can also refer your friends to LastPass as well. If you guys want to get a free month of the premium version of LastPass, use my referral code that will be linked in the description of this video. You and I will get a free month of the premium version of LastPass if you guys use my referral code. So you click on refer a friend, and you'll you can go refer a friend, and you can do that. And I think you can do it like I'm not sure how many times a year that you can do it. But as you guys can see right there, it's available for all of these browsers: Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Internet Explorer, Opera, Microsoft Edge. Available on iOS, Android, and the Microsoft Windows Phone. It's available every fucking where, guys. I suggest you guys get this app, get this password manager. It's great. It's awesome. So that's what it looks like. If you guys open it up on their desktop, you guys can open up the vault, which I want to be doing that. You can have sites. You can save sites. And if you have a password saved for the site you're on, it'll have a number next to it, so you can click on that, and you can have all these different categories, and you can add a site and save those entries, data, and all that. You can have secured notes. I don't have any right now. You can form fills. You can add form fill, add credit card, clear forms, choose form fill and credit card. You can generate secure password, recently use more options. You can security challenge, whatever. You can check that out. Identities, all open favorites about LastPass Advanced. You can do that, and you can also print. You got preferences here. So you can do that, and you can search your LastPass vault right there. If you open up your vault, it'll show you all your passwords and stuff like that. So yeah, man, I don't know why it keeps opening. So there it is, guys. LastPass. It's a password manager, and I suggest you guys get this. It's very important, guys. And if you guys got like 1Password or 1,000,000 passwords, you guys need this application. You guys need it. It's awesome. You can just get it for free. You can just use the free version if you want. What I'm doing, that's what I'm doing. Just using the free version. But the premium version is $2 a month, which is pretty damn cheap. Yeah, man. So shout out to LastPass. They're great. This is a great password manager, and I suggest you guys check it out. I've recommended for everyone out there who has, doesn't matter what device you have, I recommend it for everybody out there. Doesn't matter if you have 2 passwords or 1,000,000 passwords, I suggest you guys get this password manager from LastPass. It's great. It's awesome. It will autofill it will autofill all your passwords on your apps, on your phone, all the apps on your phone and stuff like that. It's great. It's awesome. It's a great application, and I recommend it for everyone out there. Just keep in mind, guys, if you guys sign up for the very first time, you guys will get a free 30-day trial of LastPass Premium, and after that, if you guys like it, you can continue for $2 a month. What is about $24 a year, which is pretty damn cheap. And if you guys use my referral code, you guys will get a free month of the premium version of LastPass, and I suggest you guys do that. My referral link will be linked in the description of this video. So go use my referral code, please do, because it will help both of us out. And so yeah, man, there it is, LastPass right there. It's a great password manager, great desktop extension. It's great. It's awesome. And if you guys don't got LastPass, you guys need to get it now. It will save your ass a lot of time, and it will be the best thing you ever did with your life. So yeah, guys, it will help you remember your password and stuff like that, but you will only need to remember 1Password. That is your master password for your LastPass account, so keep that in mind. So make your master password easy to remember for you and not no one else. So yeah, guys, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.